Hi boys and girls. My name is Miss Amanda and I am here joining you today for a Focused Kids lesson. Today we're going to be using one of our tools, the breathing ball. You may have a breathing ball at your house, so if you do, you can go ahead and grab it now. You might recognize the breathing ball from your classroom too. And if you don't have a breathing ball with you right now, that's okay. You can watch me and watch my breathing ball, and with your hands, you can pretend like you have a breathing ball. So I'll show you both ways, with the breathing ball, and then I'll show you what it'll look like if you don't have the breathing ball. So here we go. So the breathing ball is a tool to help us find some calm and get focused. So I'm going to look at my breathing ball and focus my attention on the actual breathing ball. And then I'm going to put my fingers on the sides and I'm going to take a slow, deep breath in as I make the breathing ball really big. Pause, and now breathe out. Let's do that again. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Ooh, that feels good. Let's do another one. Here we go. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Good job. And just remember, if you don't have a breathing ball, you can always use your fingers and your hands like this. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. And notice how slow I'm going. Take one more deep breath in, pause, and breathe out. Good job. This is a great exercise you can do anywhere because you always have your breath and you always have your hands. So even if you don't have a breathing ball, you can imagine that you have a breathing ball and you can take deep breaths anywhere. Breathing in and breathing out. See you next time. Bye.